2026 February 23rd, Monday morning. Just open the garage, look at the snow level. It's a storm, blizzard. Let me shoot it off. It's been from yesterday. Oh, walking. Blizzard. What did I say that? This and this side. Look. Oh my god. The height difference between the road and the see, it's a blizzard. It will last until today evening. See the steps, how it is done. The door. It's only halfway. It will last. Today is only. Now it is only 7:45 a.m. This will last until. Oh, look at that. It will last until today evening 6 o'clock. Good luck, guys. Have fun.